everyone, it's me Helene here at Cabin Fever Crochet on location again to our farmers market here in Chewelah, Washington State. Here's the setting behind us, beautiful mountains in the background. Pretty. There we go. Just stand here for a moment and take that in. Beautiful. Such a nice spot. Now, I did not do the market last year because of the pandemic, and it still went on, but they didn't know until the last minute whether it was going to happen or not. And everything was so up in the air, I just decided it was too much at that time. And now I'm back, yay! So here we are to the other side of the creek, and that blue tarp, first one on the left, I believe, yeah, that one's mine, the one on the edge by the creek. So I'll be extra careful that I don't take too many steps backwards. But anyway, I'm gonna go set up and let everyone else do their thing, and then I'll do a walkthrough so we can see who's who and what's what. We'll start out with a little walkthrough of my booth and show you a sampling of what I have to offer. Here's another shawl or shawlette tutorial you may enjoy. It's called the Camino Scarf. And me and my baseball caps, I just keep making and making them. This one is a mix of mercerized cotton within the brim, a little bit of the Lion Brand Summer Nights very fine sparkle yarn. And now here's the same pattern worked in a different yarn. The first was in Hirschner's, their Willow Wheels. This is in Red Heart, It's a Wrap Rainbow in the color Fiesta. I really like this pattern worked in this yarn just for the drapiness and delicacy and the beautiful color changes. More hats and then more accessories, some of the cup cozy coasters that I have, and the lip balm keychains, both I have tutorials for. My bucket hats, and then various other shawls that I've done. And now you can see, of course, the beautiful creek right behind me. And over to the right side of my table, I have my jewelry. Here's some fun, simple necklaces on a microfiber suede cord. Some are beaded, some are prints, and then the one on the right and left here are gemstones. Amber on the right, all amber, and then a mix of turquoise, carnelian, quartz, and others on the left. And then here are my crochet beaded bracelets. I have a tutorial for those as well. They're really fun to do, work up quickly. I used a variety of fibers there. Here are just a few of my hair sticks that I started out with, and I have a lot more since then, and a couple of different types of wood, some with natural stones and vintage cabochons. And these hair combs and bobby pins are from vintage Swarovski crystals. Those I'm phasing out on. And variety of necklaces, shapes, sizes, all natural stones. And I'm working into some others too, different styles this year. I have a few ankle bracelets and a mix of stone, shell, freshwater pearls. And then all of my earrings and really almost all of my jewelry is all natural stones, crystals, glass, sterling silver or 14 karat gold filled. I did a little bit of wire wrapping, and just the styles, sizes, materials that I use, and it changes from week to week depending on what people like and what my mood is. Okay, so let's go on now to see some of the other vendors. Sue, okay, I met her at the meeting.
Yeah.
And I'm Helene.
I'm Phil.
Phil, nice to meet you.
These are my brother's pins.
Oh,
He
wow.
makes
These are beautiful.
And there's also some seam rippers. Most of them are pins, though.
Okay. Isn't that pretty? Oh, that's nice.
Some are even so long she had.
Yeah, some are,
Look at
are almost bed length.
Oh, nice.
But
Oh my
most of them
goodness.
Most of them are like 45 by 60.
Okay, you do beautiful work. And the little extra touches with the buttons.
Last night, where's my red notebook?
Okay, so we have, I'm not going to spend too much time with each one. I'm just going to kind of buzz through. A lot of plants. You harvest microgreens. Fresh. Wow, nice.
Heidi and Sam with the
You harvest farms. Yeah, you harvest microgreens.
Fun bird houses and bat houses too. Nice lavender booth, ourlittlelab.com. They do mail order. Lotions, ooh, body scrubs, soaps, ooh, these are nice. Purple Fields handcrafted soap.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
Nice little sachets, bath bombs. Beautiful display. See, this is new. Builder Bee Woodworks. Ooh, interesting. Ergonomic back scratchers. That's pretty neat. Check that out.
It's like, oh, hey, I've got a
Beautiful jewelry boxes, speakers, all kinds of unique. Hi, custom hand-forged iron work, blacksmithing class.
And nice thing is that
Want to say hello to YouTube out there? This is Cactus Bob. He's a quite colorful character. And this is in a good way. And this is Uncle Sam. Hey, Sammy. Hi. Good to see you. So are these like
Ikebana vases.
bud base type thing? Yeah, those are beautiful though. I love the texture. Yes. These are gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Does he do full-size mugs also?
He just has those little kind of tea mugs without a
Oh,
handle.
okay. Yeah.
Those are just little wine or juice cups.
Oh, look at that. A yarn bowl.
Yeah.
Ooh, pretty. Very nice.
It's fun.
Yes. These are so useful. I love those sponge bowls.
I like it. They keep the sponge from getting sour.
They do. They do. Okay, great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
These folks were very busy at the time, so I got their business card. They do amazing leatherworks, purses, bags, crossbody, belt bags, accessories, handcrafted, quality materials, unique, very artful designs. So if you like Western type of wear, check them out. There's an author who started coming recently. Her name is Janet. She has a wonderful children's book and fun for adults also called Here Comes Trouble. And it's a real life story from the dog's perspective when a cat named Trouble comes to live with them. It's beautifully and adorably illustrated and also very educational and informative on pet adoption and pet therapy, and resources listed in the book as well. The website is tuckerbooks.com, and I've left the link below in the description box along with the link for my tutorials mentioned also. A few vendors I missed filming on this day and more that have come since then. We also have several producers. One is a very large one. They were super busy still getting ready. They have wonderful products. They also have a very fun, interesting, and varied store a little farther north, right off the highway. Produce, other types of food, antiques, gifts, lotions and potions, and all kinds of things. And then there's a bakery that comes. They have a shop in town called the Bread Box. Everything they make is fantastic. It's just pure, real ingredients. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed spending a few minutes with me here. Take good care, everyone, and I will see you again soon in another episode of Cabin Fever Crochet.